This is our very first year growing black-eyed peas here at Serendipity Farmhouse. We planted them as an experiment, not knowing what they do in our soil or our summer heat. But what we found in the garden today surprised us.
What a beautiful day today, and I would like you to come out with me to the garden because we're going to pick some black-eyed peas. And this is an experiment that Fuzzy and I did. Never grown them before, so let's see what we've got. Come on with me. Oh my goodness, look at them. They are so beautiful. Look at these guys. I think they're ready.
Black-eyed peas can be harvested at two different stages. If you leave the pods on the plant until they turn brown and papery, peas inside will dry naturally, perfect for long-term storage. But when the pods are still green and full, like the ones Blondie is picking today, they're tender and delicious fresh. This first harvest helps us learn how the plants behave in our garden.
I think that one's ready. Oh, they have beautiful blossoms. Look at them, aren't they beautiful? Very pretty, because they're not like the green beans, they're not low. They produce, in the high part.
One thing we've already learned is that black-eyed peas thrive in heat. The blossoms come on steadily, and once the pods start filling out, they mature quickly. Since this is our first year, we're paying close attention to how long each stage takes and how the plants respond to our soil and weather. This first harvest is just the beginning. In the next episode, we'll take these peas inside, shell them, and see what kind of yield we get from our first year's plants. The experiment continues.